A buyer's payment came back $156 a month lower, and I never touched his credit. Same borrower, same debts, same week, roughly the same $475,000 loan. The only thing that changed was which model read the report. As of last year, the credit score used on a conventional mortgage is a choice. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac approved a second scoring model, and the lender decides which one your file gets scored on. Same three bureaus, same report. The newer model counts things like on-time rent and utility payments. The legacy one reads that history as if it never happened. I didn't raise his credit score, and I didn't have to. The score never moved, the model reading it did, and the pricing came back a half point better on the same file. Experian surveyed 2,000 prospective buyers. 1 in 3 said they would walk away from a lender that only uses the legacy model, and up to 7.7 million people could see improved scores under modernizing reporting. As Experian's Susan Allen put it, a consumer with a thin traditional credit file is not necessarily a consumer with a thin financial life. And here's the part that nobody's telling you. Every lender wrote its own rulebook around that same model, and the rulebooks are not close. One caps at 80% of the home's value, primary residence only. Another allows it to 97%. Same borrower, same report. One of those shops can use the newer model on your file and the other cannot. Which door you walk through decides which score gets used and how far it stretches. So when your file lands at the wrong shop and the model does not fit you, you don't hear try a different lender. You hear no, and you walk away believing the problem was your credit. The problem was the door. A broker picks the door, the lender is the door. I'm Todd Hanley, Senior Loan Officer with United Direct Lending and a mortgage broker. That means I shop multiple lenders for you to find the best terms. So if you'd like a transparent, data-driven process that removes the guesswork, I'd love to speak with you today. Thanks for watching.